In times when the aging population and chronic diseases are rising, the healthcare industry urgently needs advanced technologies like computer vision to serve its needs. Computer vision has the potential to revolutionize healthcare by providing more accurate and meaningful data in less time. Health tech business leaders also seek a deep understanding of data management and regulatory requirements. Only someone with knowledge of healthcare and AI/ML nuances can efficiently integrate computer vision capabilities for health tech services. ZYMR's experts help healthcare businesses develop customized solutions tailored to their unique needs. ZYMR's team of AI/ML experts are skilled in latest technologies, including natural language processing and computer vision, to help health tech businesses improve the customer experience. Health tech clients can also leverage ZYMR's capabilities to develop customized solutions based on SaaS and DevSecOps to offer accurate and reliable healthcare data. ZYMR also offers automation expertise to enable health tech solutions provide enhanced patient experience and efficient healthcare operations. ZYMR's experts have helped many healthcare and health tech businesses like Beachbody build intelligent solutions like Mobile Challenge Tracker. If you too wish for smart, futuristic solutions in health tech, contact our AI/ML and healthcare experts today.